Let's find out what stocks are on our Chartist radars. Nooresh Mirani and Kunal Bothra joining right back in. And Kunal, one of the stocks that I highlighted, Hindustan Copper, within the metals basket, doing quite well. That's on your Chartbuster radar.
Yes, Avan, it was also one of the recommendations which I had given yesterday for the stock at 165 as a target for the stock price. It's shaped up quite well. In fact, many of the metal slash commodity theme stocks are doing quite well for themselves today. And one of the major reasons for picking up Hindustan Copper was this major uptrend the stock had shown in the last few weeks. So there were multiple resistances for the stock price. This was the first major resistances for the stock around this 125.30 mark. Then the second resistance was around this level, and the third and the most important was this multiple resistance zone for Hindustan Copper, which means that the stock in the last 1 or 2 weeks has managed to break past above all of those resistances on a standard basis, and it's confirmed a breakout about that 160 mark, which means that now the stock would have a major support at this 130 mark, which is the previous support, and a near-term support which could be closer to 160 mark for Hindustan Copper. So this could be a good stock at play, a high beta stock as such, and I would look out for the next set of targets, which the previous resistances around 175 as well as 180 levels for Hindustan Copper.
Right, Nooresh, what's the chartbuster that you're picking up?
So that's a stock from the public sector enterprises, Coal India. We are seeing a new breakout across the CPSE. We've hit a new all-time high for the CPSE and the PSE index. Coal India is one which has contracted over the last almost 6 to 8 months. In the short term, much more contraction. A classical triangle breakout today. Good price volume action right from the start. Expecting a short-term move towards 260. Stop loss to be kept at 228.
Right, okay. Let's talk individual stocks as well. Kunal, on your radar?
So two buy calls. Voltas is the first stock which I would suggest as a buy. Targets to be kept at 920. Stop loss 835. And Barmel Lorry is another stock which is heading towards a breakout above 155 mark. So would suggest a buy 170 as a target. Stop loss at 149.
Right. Nooresh, what about your stock recommendations?
So buy on ONGC, a new 52-week high as well as a multi-year high on a dividend-adjusted chart. Stop loss at 175, target price of 200. Second is a buy on LIC Housing, setting up for a big multi-year breakout as well. Stop loss at 418, target price of 480.